Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to highlight my top Cathie Wood stock to buy in December. Of course, Cathie Wood is known for her ARC Innovation ETF portfolio that invests in some of the most innovative companies in the world today. And so here is my top Cathie Wood stock to buy in December. Shopify is my top Cathie Wood stock to buy in December, and here's why. In the long run, more consumer spending will move online, making it necessary for more businesses to have an online presence, and that's where Shopify steps in, connecting businesses with consumers through its platform. And of course, in the near term, spending online is facing headwinds as consumers go out and spend more money away from home more often after being cooped up at home during the pandemic. Folks are going out spending money at concerts, theme parks, ball games, restaurants, and traveling, and that's putting pressure on Shopify's revenue and profit margins right now. However, longer term, more of that spending will return to online. Right now, as a percentage of overall spending, online spending is still less than 20% here in the US, and that's, around that range in several parts in the world. Some parts are more advanced than others, but you can see that trend moving more online because it's just so hard for brick and mortar stores to compete with online sales, right? It's just so much more convenient. You could shop with the click of a button. The item gets delivered to your home within a couple of days, sometimes even sooner. You can get it same day from some offerings for, a few dollars extra. You can get it delivered on the same day. And these stores, online shopping is open 24 hours a day. You don't need to worry about transportation getting to and from the store. You don't need to worry about getting dressed. You can shop from your phone while sitting on your couch. It's just the convenience advantages are just way too much for a brick and mortar store. And so as time goes on, more folks will convert more of their spending online, and this is going to be a tailwind for Shopify in the long run. One thing to keep in mind is that Shopify is investing in expanding its fulfillment services. That's going to pressure revenue and profits in the near term. However, longer term, it's going to allow merchants on Shopify to offer their customers a better shipping experience, right? They're going to be able to tell them more precisely when their order is going to be delivered to their homes. And also, they're going to be able to reduce the time to delivery from the time of order. And of course, time of delivery is one of the main things consumers look at when they're shopping online. If one website can offer you your product in as little as 2 days, whereas the next website might not be able to deliver it to you until 2 weeks later, you're more likely to choose the one that's going to offer it to you to your home within 2 days, of course, if the price is similar. And interestingly, with Shopify, merchants keep more of their earnings if you compare it with, let's say, if you're a business that wants to sell on Amazon or sell on eBay or sell on Etsy. If you choose to open up your Shopify store, you'll keep more of your revenue as a merchant compared to those other services, right? Etsy, for example, charges nearly 20% of your sale as their fee for listing your item on their website. Meanwhile, if you go to Shopify, list your item on Shopify, Shopify only takes between, let's say, 2 and 3% of your revenue, let's say 2 and 4% of your revenue as their fee for having a website on Shopify, plus a monthly premium. Depending on the size of your business, you can get one for as little as $5 a month. And so, if you're a business looking to keep more of your revenue for yourself instead of splitting it with the platform, then Shopify is a good option. And finally, Shopify is selling at its lowest valuation in years at a price to sales of 9.6. It's lower than it's been in the last, I would say, going all the way back to 2016. You can see in this chart here, Shopify hasn't been this low since then, and it's down significantly. It was trading near a price to sales of 60 at the height of the pandemic when sales were booming, and you could argue it should have never gotten to be that expensive. That's another story. Right now, investors are able to buy it at its lowest price in years. There you have it. That's why Shopify is my favorite Cathie Wood stock to buy in December. If you've gained any value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me make more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for all investors of all skill sets and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/Parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.